Good morning, grade 1. How are you today? Today we are going to solve a revision worksheet number 1. It's about regroup tens as ones. Do you remember the song? When do we regroup? More on the top, no need to stop. Look at the example. 28 minus 15. So, if more on the top, no need to stop. You can subtract easily. But if more on the floor, go next door. Get 10 more. Look at the example. 28 minus 19. Can I say 8 minus 9? So, when more on the floor, go next door. Look at the third one. Numbers the same, 0 is the game. So, 28 minus 18. When we say 8 minus 8, two numbers are the same, so the answer is 0. No need to go next door and borrow. Now let's start solving. 63 minus 18. Who can tell me where do we start? Yes, we always start with the ones. 3 minus 8. Can I say 3 minus 8? So, I have to go next door. I have to borrow from the tens. The 6 will be 5 because I'm taking 1 10. The 3 will be 13. Now, 13 minus 8, how I'm going to solve this? You can count on to find the difference. So, you can count from 8 till 13. Some of you will say, I will count this way. I will say 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many did you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5. Now let's go to the tens. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So the answer is 45. Did you regroup here? Yes, I have to regroup. Let's do the next one. 0 minus 2. Can I say 0 minus 2? No. More on the floor, you have to go next door. So, let's go next door. The 0 will borrow 1 10 from the tens, from the 4. The 4 will be 3 and the 0 will be 10. Now, 10 minus 2. Some of you will say, I will put 10 on my hand, I will take away 2. Some of you will say, I will count on to find the difference. So, I will count from 2 till 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many did you draw? Yes, you draw 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the answer is 8. Now, let's go to the tens. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Did you regroup here? Yes, I have to regroup. Now, let's do the next one. 5 minus 2. I have 5. More on the top. No need to stop. I have more. The 5 is more than 2. So, do I need to regroup here? No. I can solve it easily. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Did I regroup here? No, I don't need to regroup here. Let's do the next one. 7 minus 6. More on the top, no need to stop. The 7 is bigger than 6, right? So 7 minus 6, how do you solve it? You can use your fingers. You can count from 6 till 7. If you count from 6 till 7, 6, then 7. How many did you count? Only 1. So 7 minus 6 equals 1. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Do you need to regroup? No, I don't need to regroup. Now, next, 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5. More on the floor, you have to go next door. So, I cannot say 4 minus 5. I have to go next door and borrow from the tens. So, the 5 will become 4. And the 4 here will become 14. Now, 14 minus 5. How do I do it? You can count from 5 till 14. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many did you draw? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Now let's go to the tens. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Yes. Do you need to regroup here? Yes, I have to regroup. Now let's go next. 76 minus 21. More on the top, no need to stop. 6 minus 1. You can use your fingers. Put 6, take away 1. What's the answer? Yes, the answer is 5. 7 minus 2. Also, you can use your fingers. 7, take away 2. How many left? Yes, 5. So the answer is 55. Next. 32 minus 19. Always we start with the ones. Remember that. 2 minus 9. Can I say 2 minus 9? Do I have enough? No. More on the floor, you have to go next door. So, I will borrow from the 3. The 3 will become 2. And the 2 will become 12. Now, 12 minus 9. Also, you can do it like this. Count from 9 till 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. How many did you count? How many did you draw? 1, 2, 3. So 12 minus 9 equals 3. Now, let's go to the tens. 2 minus 1 equals? Yes, 1. Do I need to regroup here? Yes, sure, you have to regroup. Now, 29 minus 16. 9 minus 6. More on the top, no need to stop. So no need to regroup. 9 minus 6 equals what? You can use your fingers. Some of you will say, it's easier for me to count from 6 till 9. Let's count. 6, 7, 8, 9. How many did you draw? 1, 2, 3. So 9 minus 6 equals 3. 2 minus 1, yes, equals 1. So the answer is 13. Do you need to regroup here? No, no need to regroup. Now, 43 minus 39. 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9. Who can tell me? Do we have to regroup here? Do I have enough on the top? No. I have more on the floor. So you have to go next door. So the 3 will go to borrow from the 4. The 4 will become 3. And the 3 will become 13. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9. The 9 will go to the 13. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. Now, 3 minus 3 is a 0. Do you remember when we told you don't put a 0 under the tens? Because you cannot say 0, 4. Did you ever see this number? No. So please, when the answer is 0 in the tens place, don't put the 0. So the answer here is only 4. Now, 36 minus 17. 6 minus 7. Which one is bigger? 6 or 7? 7, yes. So, more on the floor, you have to go next door. The 6 will go to the 3. The 3 will become 2. And the 6 will become 16. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. Let's count from 7 till 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many did you draw? How many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 16 minus 7 equals 9. Yes. Now, let's go to the tens. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Do I need to regroup here? Yes, I need to regroup. Let's go next. 44 minus 22. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. More on the top, no need to stop. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 4 minus 2 again equals 2. So the answer is 22. Do you need to regroup here? No, no need to regroup. Now, let's go next. 51 minus 37. 51 minus 37. 1 minus 7. Can I say 1 minus 7? Do you have enough? No. More on the floor, you have to go next door. So, the 1 will go next door to borrow from the 5. The 5 will become 4. And the 1 will be 11. 11 minus 7. Let's count. The 7 will go to the 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 11 minus 7 equals 4. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Very good. The answer is 14. Did you regroup here? Yes, I have to regroup. Next, 21 minus 13. 21 minus 13. 1 minus 3. More on the floor, you have to go next door. You cannot say 1 minus 3, so you have to borrow. The 1 will go to the 2. The 2 will become 1, and the 1 here will become 11. 11 minus 3, how do I do it? Let's count from 3 till 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Now, 11 minus 3 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The answer is 8. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is a 0. Do you remember when I told you, don't put a 0 under the tens? Yes. So the answer here is only 8. 68 minus 33. 68 minus 33. 8 minus 3. More on the top. No need to stop. 8 minus 3. You can put 8 fingers, take away 3 if you want, or you can count from 3 till 8. Let's count. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So 8 minus 3 equals 5. 6 minus 3 you can use the same way if you want. You can count from 3 till 6. Some of you will say, no, I know that the double of the 3 is 6. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. So the answer is 35. Now the last one, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. 2 are the same. 0 is the game, right? I can't put a 0 here. If the answer is 0 under the ones, you have to put it. Remember, 2 are the same, 2 numbers are the same. 1 and 1, they are the same. In subtraction, when 2 numbers are the same, so the 0 is the answer. Okay? Now, 8 minus 1 equals, you can count from 1 till 8. You can put 8 fingers, take away 1, so the answer will be 7. The answer is 70. Do you need to regroup here? No need to regroup. Thank you very much, grade 1. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.